Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to AWS WAF alerts for blocked traffic, complete guide step by step clearly. Navigate to the AWS WAF and Shield service from the Services menu. Select the Web ACL for which you want to set up alerts. In the Web ACL dashboard, locate the Logging and Metrics tab. Enable logging if it is not already enabled. Choose the Amazon Kinesis Data Firehose delivery stream to send your logs. If you don't have a Kinesis Data Firehose stream set up, create a new one. Follow the prompts to define the destination for your logs, such as an Amazon S3 bucket. After configuring the Kinesis Data Firehose, return to the Web ACL settings. Once logging is enabled, navigate to Amazon CloudWatch from the Services menu. In CloudWatch, go to the Alarms section from the navigation pane. Click on Create Alarm to begin setting up a new alarm. Select Create Alarm from Metric. In the search bar, look for the metric namespace for AWS WAF. Select the relevant metric that corresponds to blocked requests. Configure the alarm threshold based on your requirements. Set the conditions for the alarm, such as the number of blocked requests within a specified time frame. Choose an existing notification topic or create a new Amazon SNS topic for alerts. Finally, review your alarm settings and click Create Alarm to activate it. Your AWS WAF alerts for blocked traffic are now set up and will notify you according to your specifications. Monitor your CloudWatch alarms regularly to stay updated on blocked traffic trends. Refer to the AWS documentation for any additional customization options you might need. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.